Okay, the English word is bed. 4.
You are my
3,
bed sheet girl.
2,
That's all.
1. No.
Bed sheet girl.
Bird sheet girl.
Nah, bed sheet.
1. What's up, SB Squad, and welcome back to another video
with your boy Georgie
and your girl Victoria.
Yeah, we're back with another video, guys. So today we're gonna do a challenge. This challenge, Victoria is gonna explain to you what's the rules of that challenge. So yeah, on you.
Okay, so the game is just the song association challenge that's going around. So basically, we give the other person a word and they have to sing a song with that word in it. But the rule is, Aussie, you have to know a song with that word in it if you're giving it to me. Yeah.
Alright.
Because, I mean, I could give you Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Would you be able to give me a song with that?
No.
Well, see? You have to have a word that you know the song to yourself.
Yeah.
Okay,
that's good. That's her challenge.
I wrote mine down.
Me, I'm not wrote any song down. I'll just use my mind.
Okay, fine. Then you go first. So we got 3 or 4 English words and 3 or 4 Samoan words. So you go first then, seeing as you use your mind.
My first song is
I suck at this game.
Is a Palangi song, English song. It's called Tell Me Why. Why are you laughing? Oh, why?
I know the song. Tell me why.
What?
That's the song.
Yeah, what song?
Yeah, it's Tell Me Why. Tell me why.
No, that's the wrong song. You
Babe,
need to sing the song.
Babe, you need to do it properly. You're not supposed to tell me the name of the song. You're just supposed to tell me one word.
Yeah, that's one word.
So give me another one then. Because you already told me.
Rockabye.
Rockabye?
Yeah.
Rockabye baby.
Sing it. You're not gonna tell who's gonna know Rockabye baby.
Rockabye baby on the treetop.
No, that's wrong song.
No,
that's wrong.
Listen,
wrong.
it doesn't have to be the song that you have in your mind. It just has to be the word that you told me. So I got 1 point.
Alright, that's yours then.
Okay, so your word is. Oh. Your word is roof.
On the roof.
No.
That song.
No.
Whatever song. What do you mean?
Babe. Roof.
To the roof. To the ground.
What?
That's a song.
No.
Babe, you said whatever song.
You're saying to the window, to the wall.
No, that's different one.
Okay,
to the
what?
Roof, to the that's
To the roof, to the ground.
Yeah, that's a song for the kids.
Okay, to the roof, to the ground, babe.
Yeah.
No, you didn't get that one.
Just search them.
Okay, then. To the roof, to the ground song. No, babe.
Yeah, that's one.
Babe, this is not it. You didn't get that point. So, you don't get a point. Woohoo! Okay, my turn.
Song is called Te Wila.
Te Wila. No.
1, 2,
Don't do it so loud.
3, 4, 5,
Te
6.
Wila. I know a song with it. I just can't think.
8, 9,
Te Wila.
10. Beep!
What is it?
1 point. Baby Te Wila. Oh, have
Oh my gosh.
It's your turn.
Okay, so the English word is bed.
bed.
Mm. 5, 4,
You are my
3,
bed sheet girl.
2,
That's all.
1. No.
Bed sheet girl.
Bird sheet girl.
Nah, bed sheet.
What? I've never heard that song. Okay then. Bed sheet girl.
These pictures should match.
Babe, these are pictures. You didn't get the song.
Ah, no, I remember the song.
No.
Just counting.
California King Bed by Rihanna. So 2 points for me. 2 points for me.
My song is called
Don't be so hard on me.
Phone.
Kiss Me Through the Phone. Yeah! Kiss Me Through the Phone by Soulja Boy. Soulja Boy,
Kiss
tell
me
him.
through the phone. Kiss me through the phone.
So I got 3 points. Okay, Aussie's getting confused. So only if you guess it right, you get the point. So I got 2, Aussie's got 0. And I'm gonna try and keep it that way. So the next song is, okay, I'll give you a Samoan one because you're gonna get this one. Mafai. I knew you were gonna get it. Okay, your turn. So you got 1 point.
There's another song called Wine.
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 Yeah.
Red, red wine. Red, red wine. Yeah. I got 3 or 4. 3 points.
I got 1.
Okay, next one is money. 7, 6,
Wait.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, but it was already 3 seconds.
No.
Okay, 3, 2,
Morning ride.
money.
Yeah, it was a morning ride. What do you mean? What? Why are you laughing? Morning ride.
Not money, money.
What?
Money. Money.
Oh, the salmon word.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you tell me that I'm morning. Said, nah, you should said salmon song. What do you mean? No, that's
Fine then, I will. Okay, I'm gonna make it hard for you. Okay, so oi.
Oi.
Yeah.
Na upele tasi oe, wala tayo ufa moy moy.
I don't know that song.
Yeah,
Who
because
sings it?
Sings by Ancheko Fanboy.
So you got 1 point.
2. What do you mean 1?
What one did you get right?
I get it right. What do you mean?
What did you get right?
Song called Engineering.
Babe,
What?
do you know a song engineering?
Yeah.
Are you talking about 1-4? It's not engineering.
Oh, yeah.
Sing it then.
Like I got engineering. Yeah.
What a liar! No, babe, give me an actual word.
Battlefield.
You got the easiest English ones.
Oh, no.
Battlefield!
No,
like a
I changed it.
battlefield. I got 4. Thank you. Okay, thank you for my battlefield. So your next word is heartbreaker. 10, 9, 8,
Heartbreaker.
6,
No.
5,
Heartbreaker.
4,
Heartbreaker.
2.
Wait.
Get your stinky ass hands off
Wait.
me! Babe, it's finished.
No, it's not.
3,
I'm
2,
coming 10.
1.
I'm
Yes, I did. This guy's such a cheater.
I'm coming 10.
No, this is a song.
10.
Heartbreaking, you got the best of me,
I
but
never
I
heard that
just
song.
keep on coming back incessantly. Oh, wow.
Another song is called Salmon song.
Okay.
La.
La.
No. Oleh lah upele yang jangan.
Okay. La. O sole la.
Eh.
Susulumai. Yeah, I got it. You're gonna get this one, so that's why I saved it for the last ones. Motivo.
Oh, sole mativana.
Now you have to sing it properly. 10, 9, 8, 7. Okay, you got it. Give me a Samoan one because I only had.
Salmon song, it's called Aute.
Siaosi. Aute. Be ole aute.
Pele Aute ngore mama.
That was so dry.
Pele Aute wati o tangata I te tonu.
Siaosi. I don't know. I give up.
Yeah, mawala oi.
What is it?
E Aute fua matala.
Oh, I know that song, but it's hard also. You have to kind of pick some new ones. Okay, your last Samoan song is
What?
Le.
Le.
You have to sing Le. You have to sing Le. 10, 9,
Le
8, 7, 6.
Le ai se tasi na te whaatu saina. I got five.
No, you did not get 5, babe.
We got 5-4.
You did not get 5.
Yeah.
This is the last one.
This is the last one for you. It's called the English word. It's called river.
River. Cry me a river. Oh, cry me a river.
Nah, you should pick the right song.
Okay, if you didn't pick any of the right songs that I had. I won, guys. I got 6. Thank you so much. I just want to thank myself and my brain for winning this challenge. And the prize for
your not good song.
And the prize for me is Aussie's gonna shout me a dinner.
Yeah, we're going for a dinner tonight. Yeah, to shout you with a little small bacon and eggs.
Okay, guys, well, that is our video.
Yeah,
I really want to do this challenge again, but maybe with my sisters.
Yeah.
Or maybe we could do it again with Aussie boy. It was so much fun. I know so many songs, but when you actually have to think about it,
yeah, it's hard.
Yeah, it is hard. So, anyways, that's our video. You guys know the drill. SB Squad signing out.
Peace.